Hello everyone, you can see here it's a FPV camera and it's from eachine. It is the 1000 TVL camera from eachine and it's a very cheap camera, but the quality is not that cheap. Though this camera has not so many features, just a couple of features there. You can see it is anti-accident PAL switchable, and there is the connector. You can see there marked video, ground and 5 to 20 volt. So here the left side, the white cable is for video and the black one is ground and the red one is for positive power. You can send 5 to 20 volt through this cable. And look at this is not a silicone cable, just an ordinary cable. So this can be a deal breaker for anyone. I don't like this cable. This cable breaks so easily, and you can see it is so hard to mount this on a quad, so you should keep in mind that. And here is the lens. It's a good CCD camera, though it's an old technology, but still so many people are using this camera for tiny micro drone, and it's also suitable for beginners. But I have tested this before, and the view of this camera is actually not that bad considering the price. So I will show you later after setting this up. And the camera has a reasonable weight. I don't have a digital balance to weigh this up. So let me set this up with the video transmitter here. So I am using here a USB cable to connect this to my PC, and now I am plugging the power and giving power to the VTX, and it is by default 25 milliwatt. So now it's time to go to the PC. So for auto scanning you need to press and hold this, so it will start auto scanning, and when it will find the actual frequency, it will lock into that. Yeah, it is fine. The actual frequency is found, and it is 5913 megahertz. So I hope you guys liked my video. So if you like my video, then hit the like button and subscribing to my channel. Comment in the comment box and feel free to let me know what you guys are thinking. So thank you guys, take care, bye.